Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Christoph Andrew. If you're still not my subscriber, please do hit the subscribe button now. For today's vlog, we only have 2 IPs to unbox but we have 6 pieces each for Hachipupu Adventure in the Wood series, and we have also for Polar the first season of Polar, which is the Hello Polar, because the season 2 of Polar just released a couple of days ago. So let me introduce first to you for those who are not collecting Polar and Hachipupu. And if you watch my previous vlog, I unboxed some pieces of each series, and I'm so afraid that I might get a multiple duplicates, but I'm crossing my fingers to have different and new figures for today's vlog. So I'm so excited and nervous at the same time. So what are we waiting for, guys? Let's do the unboxing now. Let me start with the Hachipupu Adventure in the Wood series. If you watch my previous vlog, from this lineup, I already got Mr. Fox, which I lost the cane. Also, I got the Gremlin. So from this series, I only have two, but I don't know why I got six only and not just get the complete set. But then again, I really like the challenge of getting the pieces that I want, and I'm hoping to get a secret from this lineup. So let me do a recap again. They have 12 confirmed figures, which is the Owl, Cannibal Flower, Gremlin, which I have already, Little Raccoon, I guess, Little Tree, Mr. Fox, which I had, Mushroom, Ladybug, Morning Glory, Adventurer, Little Ghost, and Firefly. And the secret, which has a probability of 1 over 144. So, of course, I want to get the owl and the ghost, the little ghost, the little raccoon as well. And I'm crossing my fingers not to get duplicates from this unboxing. So, I'm going to unbox this one at the bottom part, so that if this one is a duplicate, the two figures that I had already is ready on my side, and I'm just going to show it to you, and I'm not going to open the foil, because if this will be a duplicate, I'm going to dish dash or sell them in my online shop. So let's start now. I'm so excited. This one's quite light figure, but I don't know if we are able to secure a secret. I actually don't know who's the secret from this lineup, but yeah, I hope it's a secret or not a duplicate. So I'm going to show to you first the foil, and there's the stand. I don't know who has the stand like this, and this is the foil of Hachipupu. A very good and very nice branding. So let me show you the art card. One, two, three. Yeah, we got the owl, guys. So I'm going to open the foil because I don't have the owl yet. Yes, and let me show you how beautiful owl. Look, guys. This is what I'm talking about regarding this figure, because I really like to get this owl because of the intricate details of the feathers. Look, the gradient color of light white, dirty white to gray to black. How nice the details, and even the ruffles on the neck of Hachipupu. I like the subtle color of gray, and it pop ups the golden color of the watch on his chest. It's a nice watch, and yeah, I'm not sure if they use eye chip with Hachipupu, but I really like the soft matte finish of the owl headpiece of Hachipupu here. He looks so grumpy. And let me put him on the stand. So the stand is just a simple, clear PVC. So enough material to stand properly the Hachipupu figure. And yes, I can say I really like this one. What can you say about Owl of Hachipupu? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with another box of Hachipupu. So this one's a bit like There's some weight, but not that heavy. So let's see. I just hope it's not a duplicate. I'm so excited to unbox Hachipupu because I don't much have Hachipupu figures, so I want to explore each of his series. So let's see. Though the two figures that I unboxed before from this lineup are really cute. That's why I decided to get more boxes and not the full set. I don't know why. So let's see, guys. Our second figure. Yeah, it's quite heavy. One, two, three. Oh, we got the little ghost. Okay. Oh, so there's no stand. Let me set aside the box and let me show you the figure of little ghost. One, two, three. Yes. You can remove the ghost costume of Hachipupu here like this. And you can see how cute Hachipupu here wearing a baby clothes like with the small ghost as a design on her chest with a name tag or a tag of the dress like the tag of Hachipupu. Yeah, it's so small, like he's wearing a white diaper, and yeah, he has this ghost costume that you have to put with Hachipupu, and he's so really cute. I like the finishing of the material of the costume. It's not hard PVC. It's really soft. Like you can bend like this. Soft PVC vinyl. And yeah, this one is so cute with the little red horn with some intricate details of the stitches of the costume of the ghost like white cloth. This one is a really nice costume and a really nice. Oops, I dropped Chipupu. Really nice figure. What can you say about this one? I like what I'm getting now. Please comment down below. Let's go now with our third box from Hachipupu. And we're great. We're getting a beautiful figure so far, and I hope it's not a duplicate from what I had. But this one's quite heavy. So let's see if we are lucky enough to get a secret and lucky enough not to get a duplicate. Let me pull the art card. Oops. Oh, I'm not sure if this is the one I have, but I hope it's not. Yeah, we got the Firefly. I don't have this one yet. So, yeah, let me pull up this one and let me show you Firefly. Wow, this one is so beautiful, guys. Look the finishing. I never thought that this one is will be a very cute and beautiful figure. I really like the translucent wings at the back, the gummy finish of the hair of Hachipupu here. It's like a midnight sky with some stars, white and gold stars. Look how beautiful. And the translucent antenna of Hachipupu here like a firefly. Even the neck piece like a collar, it's like a you know uh, a big leaves of collar on his neck. This one is so beautiful, surprisingly. Let me show you all the inclusion and check how beautiful the figure with a complete set. This is the stand. It looks like a water, and this is like a lotus flower. Yeah, this one is so cute. Very nice. So he's just lying here or sleeping like a cute firefly. I think this is the best one that I have so far. Surprisingly, I really like the complete figures of this set, guys. What can you say about this one? How beautiful firefly here. Look, this one is so underrated. I don't know why, but this one is really cool. Please comment down below. So guys, let's proceed with our fourth box. So far, so good. We're getting different figures, and we're not getting a duplicate. I don't like to jinx it. Please, please, please. So I'll just give a recap to you. We got the owl already. I have the Gremlin before, Gremlin. I had the Mr. Fox before. We had now the Little Ghost and the Firefly. So let's see our next figure. I hope it's not a duplicate. I'm so nervous. Oh my goodness. This is the reason why some collectors like to get the full set instead of uh, single boxes from time to time, but it's for me it's a very different, challenge if we are getting or I'm getting different or single boxes from time to time, because yeah, this is my challenge, no, when unboxing figures like the blind boxes, we really don't know which one we are getting. So this is the foil figure. Okay, oh, I guess this is the mini raccoon. Yes, mini. No, it's little raccoon. We get the little raccoon. Let me show you. Let me show you. Set aside the box. One, two, three. Oh my goodness! Look how beautiful this one. I really like the bonnet. It's like the head of the raccoon. I like the raccoon suit of Hachipupu here. Look the details of the suit. There's some like a couple of cottons inside, and this is the tail of the raccoon, and Hachipupu has a red bib here. He's so cute here. He's like dancing. And let me pull out all the inclusions and show you how beautiful this pieces is. And the raccoon has his own stand. Oops. Oh, okay. Look how beautiful the mini raccoon, guys. It's like a mini Hachipupu. So this is a gray raccoon, and Hachipupu is a brown raccoon here. Like they are doing, or like they are dancing together. Look, they are both beautiful and cute. Very adorable, right? So we got the the little raccoon. So this is the art card. Let me show you first how beautiful these pieces are. So what can you say about these guys? You like this one? You can comment down below. So guys, we are down to these last two boxes from Hachipupu Adventure in the Wood series. And I hope these two are different from what I had before. I hope. Let's see. I'm excited now. Let me open the fifth box. And the fifth figure of Hachipupu. Okay. Oops, the stand. I hope it's not a duplicate. Card first. One, two, three. Yes! It's not a duplicate. Morning Glory. Yep. Let me remove the foil or unbox the foil or unfoil it. One, two, three. Yay! Look, this one is so cool. Guys, this is the reason, like, you really have to get or see the actual figure so that you can appreciate it more in the actual piece, because look how beautiful this one. Like, Hachipupu here is wearing this translucent, like, clothes. It's a flowy clothes. And if you can see closely, there's some stars, like glitters of yellow and white. And he's holding I'm not sure if this is a small lotus flower. Like, yeah, let me show you. It's a morning glory. It says here it's morning glory. I don't know what's morning glory. Is that a flower? Is morning glory a flower, guys? If you know about morning glory flower, please comment down below. Let me put him on the stand first. Yep. Look how beautiful, guys. I like the translucent material that they are always using with each figure, and even I'm not sure what they call this one. The bottom part of the flower. It's not a buds, but yeah, I'm not sure what you call this one. If you know something about it, guys, please comment down below. And look how beautiful this one is. I'm not sure if you have to put this one on the other side. Yeah, like this. Cute, 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 cute. Very beautiful. It's just Hachipupu here is closed eyes, but you can see he has this white, you know, white. What can I say? This one eyelashes, white eyelashes. Very nice, very cool figure, very cute, very adorable. What can you say about this one? Please comment down below. Guys, the moment of truth, our last box, and I hope it's not a duplicate. And see how beautiful the figures that I unboxed a while ago. We have these five beautiful pieces. Let me do a recap. The owl, the little ghost, the morning glory, the firefly, and the little raccoon. So let's see. Our sixth figure and last box for Hachipupu. Please don't be a duplicate. Please, please, please. Please don't be a duplicate. Okay. Oh! Oh my god, I saw the spoiler. Mr. Fox, I guess. Let me show you the art card. Yeah. So we got Mr. Fox. I'm not going to uh, remove this one here. Let me return it back. And let me show you Mr. Fox. I have the Mr. Fox already. This is the art card. Mr. Fox. And show you how beautiful Mr. Fox is. Ah, oh, I guess I'm happy enough to not get a duplicate. So, yeah, we have Mr. Fox here as a duplicate. So sad. So sad, so sad. Oops. Let me put him on the stand. Why it's not fitting in? Yeah, that's it. So we had Mr. Fox, guys. Look, the details of Mr. Fox at the back. He's wearing this tuxedo or like gray coat. Like he looks like a K-pop star here with a orange bow tie, and look the orange tail and fox ears of Hachipupu here. Yeah, unfortunately we have this duplicate, but he's still cute. What can you say about Mr. Fox, guys? Please comment down below. So guys, let's proceed with our next IPs, which is the first season of Polar, which is the Hello Polar series. You can see the beautiful artwork of Polar here. You know, guys, I don't know why. This one is another underrated figure. But if you see this one in an actual one, in our actual figure, you will really appreciate how beautiful and quality the figure is and how artistically done the figure, each figure of this series. So yeah, they released the season 2 now. So I hope I'll be able to get a next series or the season 2 of Polar. So let me give you the lineup. They have 12 confirmed figures and one secret. But if you watch my previous vlog, I already unboxed 5 from these figures. So I'm afraid, really, really afraid that I might get a multiple duplicates from this one because I have 5 already, which is the Good Morning. I had the Ready Let's Go. I had the Haha I Win. I had the A Wake Up. These 4. I already had these 4 and the Bedtime Story. So let's see. I hope I'll just get a secret just for a consolation if ever I'll get a duplicate. So let's see, guys. Let me show you first the art card. Foil first. The art card. Oh, so this is a different one. So this is what's the name? Zoms? Sames? I don't know. What's the name? Zoms. Like he's sleeping. Let's explore the fantastic world with Polar, season 1. Very nice art card, guys. Like how you know how beautiful the artwork, how artistically done. So this is Somes. Why it's Somes? Somes, that's the name. And there's some inclusion. Mini friends of Polar, like mini burst. Two. They have two. So let me unfoil. Unfoil. One, two, three. Oh, oops, sorry. I moved the camera. Look, guys. This is what I'm telling you guys. How beautiful the figure. Like, it's a very chunky one. It's a very good quality figure. I really like the color combination, the color palette, very pastel. Polar has these these small horns on her forehead, and she has this one small tooth, like she's about to go to bed with her friends or with her little teddy bears, like they look like Minnie the Pooh. This how it looks like. Very beautiful one. Very beautiful figure, guys. What can you say about Somes? Please comment down below. Let's move on with another box with our another box of Polar here. So we got Somes songs. So let's see. Let's see our second figure from Polar first season. Let me show you first the art card. Oh, maybe the foil first and the art card. One, two, three. Oh, I have this one already. Hey, wake up. Okay, our first duplicate from Polar. Let me set aside this one and let me show you. We have the A wake up. Oh no, I told you. Duplicate is duplicates. Okay. So this is the stand of A Wake Up. I really like this one, guys. It looks like a book. How beautiful. How to help it. Very beautiful stand. And this is the A Wake Up of Polar. Like, I'm not sure if she's trying to wake up her friend, or his friend. I'm not sure. Like this small one, but with a backpack. And look how beautiful or intricate the details of this figure. Like, she looks like a mushroom here. Like, let me put the stand first. And let me show you how beautiful Polar here. I like the horns has a different color now. Like this one is a maroon. She really looks so cute. Not creepy, guys. She looks like she don't this she she doesn't look like a creepy one, a creepy child, but a very cute one, guys. See how beautiful and how good the quality of this figure, guys. Like, she has this small tail. Actually, she looks like a chameleon. I'm not sure if she looks like that one, but yeah, our duplicate from this series. A wake up of Polar. Give me your comment down below. Let's proceed with another box of Polar. Please don't be a duplicate or give me a secret, please. But I'm expecting a lot or a multiple duplicates from this series because, as I've said, I had 5 already. So let's see. I'm just trying to get or to complete the series. So this is the foil and this is the art card. One, two, three. Yeah! So this is a different one. We got the bubble pop. Very nice artwork, guys. She looks like she's having a good time in the bathtub with lots of bubbles. Let me see the figure. One, two, three. Oh, this one is so beautiful. Like, she has this small rubber ducky with a lot of bubbles, and she has this mini towel on the head. And now her horn is a gray one, and yeah, with the pigtails on the side. And I really like the bathtub. Looks like really a ceramic one with her doodle here on. Like, you have to remove this one to drain the water. Starting now. Written here, starting now. Yes, I really like this one. It reminds me of the other figure of um what you call Dimu, the new series of Dimu, and Dimu is on the bathtub as well. I have that one already. So yeah, I like this one. Bubble Pop. What can you say about this one, guys? Please comment down below. So guys, I rearranged the view and the setup so that we can properly see all the figures that we unboxed a while ago. And we still have three figures that we have to unbox from Polar Season 1. And let me proceed now with our fourth box. So let's see guys. I hope it's not a duplicate because we already had one duplicate from Hachipupu and one duplicate from Polar as of this time. So let's see. I hope it's a different figure, guys. And let me show you the foil first and the art card. One, two, three. Yes, it's not a duplicate. And this is Tech Gacha. Tech Gacha. I'm not sure if this is Tech Gacha, guys. The written or the words are so small. Tech Gacha. So let me remove on the foil. One, two, three. Oh, why this one is so different? Wait, is this the tech gacha like this? Why she is like this upside down? Okay, so this is the inclusion. Oh, okay, okay. Surprisingly, it's so different from the art card. And let me show you this one. I guess maybe Polar here is trying to dig something because there's some like a small shovel here, and then maybe this little friend of Polar is trying to sneak her out. That's why it should be like this. And Polar said, yeah, gotcha. Like this. This one is so cute. Cute but upside down, but I guess this is not my least favorite from this series. Maybe because, yeah, I can't see her face. Like she's holding this little shovel here, like this one. And this how it looks like. What can you say about Tech Gacha here? Please comment down below. Our second to our last box of Polar, and we're about to finish this vlog. And by the way, guys, if you are enjoying watching my vlog now, you can like and share this video. And if you're still not my subscriber, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So let's proceed now to our fifth figure. I hope it's not a duplicate. The foil. And let me show you the art card. Where's the art card? Oh, here. One, two, three. Yay! It's not a duplicate. And we got the Yum Yum. Ah, I'm curious about this little girl. She looks so beautiful here, right? One, two, three. Oh, so this is Yum Yum. And there's some, I don't know, styrofoam. Maybe there's some inclusion. Okay. There's some mini stool here where Polar is sitting on the top of the mini stool like this. Okay. It's not magnetized, but it's cool anyway. I'm not sure if trying to eat something here. This one looks like a worm, and I like the horns of um, Polar here. It's cut horns, but it has a different colors, like blue with purple. Let me show you. And surprisingly, Polar here showing a very long pigtails at the back. Very cute one. What can you say about this one, guys? A very intricate details, a very nice quality figure. And I believe they use iChip with Polar as well. And she has this almost complete set of teeth here. She's so happy. She looks so happy here. And give me your thoughts. Comment down below. So guys, we are down to our last box and I hope it's a different figure or maybe a secret. I hope there will be no two you know, two duplicates from these collections that I got. So let's see the card. One, two, three. Yes! It's not a duplicate. We only got one duplicate, guys. And this is we have here the the words are so small. Mush. Am I? Let me read here. M mushrooming. M mushrooming. Like she's trying to cut some mushroom on her head. Let me show you. One, two, three. Oh, I guess this is the one that I really like to get because look how intricate the details and how beautiful this one here. There's a lot of details going on. I guess these are the friends of Polar. I'm not sure if these are mushrooms or worms. Look, very cute. The big scissors here. Let me put all the inclusion. I guess this is the best that I like. This is my favorite from this uh, lineup that I unboxed so far. Okay, and the good thing about the stand is like the cover cup of a jar. Very nice. And there's this small noisy seed. Can you read this one? Yeah, noisy seed. And there's one. I'm not sure if this is like a small mushroom on the mini jar like this. He said he put a tag like a noisy seed, and she's trying to cut a lot of worms or mushroom on the head. Very nice. I really like this one. Very nice figure, very intricate details. Very cute one. What can you say about this one, guys? M mushrooming. Please comment down below. So guys, this is the final lineup of what we unboxed for today's vlog. We unboxed 6 of Hachipupu Adventure in the Wood series and the 6 pieces of Polar first season. And I'm so happy because, we got only one duplicate from each series and I'm happy enough to get all these figures, and if you can see in the lineup, the bottom figures are my favorites and on the top figures are my least favorites from what we unboxed for today. And it doesn't mean that I don't like the top figures, but the other 6 figures from the 3 from Hachipupu and 3 from Polar are stand out so well, and they are really beautiful from the others. And if you have other favorites from what I've chose, you can comment down below. And if you want to unbox me other figures and you want me to showcase something that you really like to see in the vlog, you can comment down below as well. And if you had fun watching my vlog, you can like and share this video. And again, if you're still not my subscriber, help me reach the 1,000 subscribers and hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Bye!